Hi, it's Lisa from Social Art Online. Today I'm going to take you through a quick tutorial on how to blend colors and create a nice sunset sky. So for tools, you'll want a nice soft paintbrush. You can actually use a stiffer bristle brush as well, just depending on the look you're going for. But I do find if you really want nice blended lines, a softer bristle brush will work better for you. And something that's a little bit bigger. This is like a, I don't know, 1.5 inch thickness. So I'm going to start with a little bit of a pale blue right at the top of my canvas. My brush is a little bit damp, so just dip it in some water, get a little moisture on there. It'll help your paint spread on nice and smooth. And then we're going to start right up at the top here. And we're just going to go right across, lengthwise, all the way across the canvas. And I'm going to cover about the top third with this color. And just if you want really nice smooth lines, make sure that you take your brush and pull it all the way across the canvas here. If you do more choppy little brush strokes, you'll get a little bit more texture. So it depends on the look you're going for. But for blending, nice long brush strokes from one end all the way to the other. I'm going to stop about there with my blue. I'm going to rinse my brush out really well for the color change. And now I'm going to blend my second color into this. So I'm going in with a nice pale pink. I'm going to start right where I left off. And I'm even going to grab just a little bit of white on my brush. So right where the pink and the blue are meeting here. Just going to take that white, go right over top of the seam, and you can see how that sort of softens it, makes those two colors blend together a little bit better. I'm just going to go back and forth quite a few times. Again, it helps if you have a little bit of water on your brush. You just want to make sure that you don't have too much so that it doesn't drip down the canvas. I'm just going in with more of my pink. And then I kind of like to work back and forth, but also moving the brush a little higher and a little lower as I do that process. And then for the final color, I'm going to be rinsing my brush out again, and I'm going to be using a bit of yellow. So again, a nice soft pale color. We're doing kind of a pastel background. Right where my pink leaves off. You can grab a touch of white, go over that seam. And then you'll get that nice ombre blend. So it's hard to tell like where one color starts, one color ends. And then I'm just going to finish off my canvas with my pale yellow. And that's all there is to it. So thanks for watching today. If you want more information or you want to check out our full-length tutorials, make sure you check out our website. See you soon.